Hi guys, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Today we're going to do some cutting. Go get scissors, marker, and 5 pieces of construction paper. When we finish cutting, I have a surprise for you, a Kinder Joy egg. Can't wait to open it. Once you get everything, put all 5 papers together like this, and your parents will help you cut. Mommy or Daddy, cut a strip of paper like this. All the colors. Now bend it in half and cut again like this. Okay kids, are you ready? Take one piece of paper, take a marker, and let's draw some lines. Start at the top and go to the bottom. Don't forget to hold your paper, 2 fingers on the marker. Start, stop, start, stop. Keep going. You can do it. Good job. We have standing lines. Now let's take another piece of paper. Now we're going to go sideways. We're going to make diagonal lines from dot to dot, from dot to dot. Keep going. This is diagonal lines. Let's take another piece of paper. Let's draw a curved line. It's like a smiley face, a smile, a smile. Parents do the dots, so kids can do the smile. Do the dots and a smile. Good job. This is the curved lines. Curved. Let's take another piece of paper. Let's do a zigzag lines. Parents, help me do the dots. You go to the dot and down, to the dot and down, to the dot and down. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. This is the zigzag line. Let's take another color. Let's do up and down. This way, the other way. Let's connect the dots. Down, up, down, up. This is our lines. This is what we're going to cut. Let's review the lines. This is green. Green paper has standing lines. They're standing. Vertical lines. What color is this? It's orange. Orange paper has diagonal lines. They're falling. What color is this? This is brown. Good job. Brown has curved lines. What color is this? This is blue. Blue has zigzag lines. And last color is yellow. Yellow has zigzag too. Okay, let's talk about scissors now. If you have a sticker, put the sticker where the small hole is on top like this, so you know which way is up. This is up. This is the right way. Is this the right way? No. This is up. That's right. Make your thumbs up. Put your thumb in the small hole like this. Open your fingers. Put them in your other holes like this. I can see my sticker. That means it's the right way. Make sure you're not turning your hand like this. That's wrong. Hold it like this. Sticker up. This is how we open, close, open, close. Okay, let's start with our lines. Take your paper with your straight lines. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Keep going. Move your paper down and snip. Good job, guys. This is done. Make sure you have your thumb in your small hole. Next, let's take diagonal lines. Hold it with your hand. Turn it. Open, close, open, close. You can turn the paper or you can turn the scissors. It's your choice. Open, close, open, close. One more. Snip. Orange is finished. Next color is brown. Let's cut the curved lines. Open and turn the paper. Snip. Let's try again. Open, keep turning your paper. Turn, turn, turn. Snip. Turn up. Snip and close. 1, 2, 3. 3 more. Align your scissors and keep closing them slowly. Slowly, don't rush. On the line. Let's do it again. Open your scissors, put the paper in, and go slowly. Follow the line. Good job. One more. All done. Let's do zigzag. Turn your scissors or turn your paper, your choice. Make sure your fingers are inside the right holes. Let's open your scissors wide. Go to the tip and turn your paper and snip. Go to the top. Turn your paper and snip. You can do it differently. You can snip 2 times. 1 and 2. See what's easier. 1 and 2. Snip, snip, cut, turn, cut. Wow, good job guys. Last one, and then we open the egg. Let's see if we can do it together. You can turn the paper or you can turn the scissors. Check for the sticker. Are you holding it right? Okay, let's go. Snip, snip, open, shut them, open, shut them, open, shut them. Move your paper. One more. Good job guys. We are finished with cutting. Let's review the colors. Yellow, blue, orange, green, and brown. Yay, good job. Now we're ready to open the egg. Okay, let's see. So step number 1, we have to put the water, then dip the brush, then get the paint, and we can draw. Let's try it. I got some water. Pour it here. Okay, I got some water. I got a paper for us to draw. Here's the little brush. I dip. And let's try blue. Wow! It's drawing. It's a magic paint. Let's try red. Dip, get some paint, and draw. Wow, pretty cool. And this is like a paintbrush. Okay kids, I hope you had fun cutting with me. I miss you and I'm waiting for your pictures. Bye, see you soon.